Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do this half up, half down hairstyle in less than 1 minute. We're going to start by dividing the hair from ear to ear and popping this into a ponytail using a clear elastic band. On the last turn, only pull your ponytail part way through to create a small loop. Now pull out one strand of that elastic band and pop a couple of fingers through, and we're going to take the tail ends and pass them to your fingers. So bring it over the top of that loop to your fingers and then pull it all the way through that elastic band. Make sure your tail ends sit underneath the loop. Then fan out the little loop and the top section by pinching and pulling. You can also add a bit of texture to the crown by pinching and pulling the hair. And it really is that easy. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.